Ever heard the saying, yawning is contagious? You've probably experienced it. One person yawns, and suddenly everyone in the room follows suit. Stick around, because in the next few seconds I'm going to reveal what's really happening here. Turns out, yawning isn't just about being tired, it's a fascinating behavior linked to empathy and social bonding. Scientists suggest that contagious yawning might help synchronize group behavior or even enhance alertness. But unlike popular belief, not everyone is susceptible. Studies show children with autism, for instance, may yawn less contagiously, hinting at deeper neurological factors. What other myths have you heard? Comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to uncover the truth behind more myths.